for the girls 16. So now it's up to you whether you want to participate. Till now, there's only one new person. Is there anyone who wants to compete?
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, chalo.
India has a long land coastlines and international boundaries. It is the third largest country to share international border. It shares boundaries with Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh. With some we have cooperative relations and with some we have conflicting relations. But still, in a current scenario, India is working towards the peaceful agreement with these nations. And in other hand, we have countries like Bangladesh and Bhutan and Sri Lanka. We are having a really good friendly relations with them. India always aims at peaceful and mutual relationships. And in current scenario, it is said that the strength of a nation is estimated through its relation with its neighboring countries. All the nations around us should work together instead of fighting, to work together for peace and promotion of security in these regions. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sejal Singh. I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. It is located in NH 33. It is a very small place and very beautiful place. The district of Hazaribagh is a part of Chota Nagpur Platinum. This area is full of serene mountains and valleys. And my name is Sejal Singh. I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. It is located in NH 33. It is a very small place and very beautiful place. The district of Hazaribagh is a part of Chota Nagpur Platinum. This area is full of serene mountains and valleys.
Juvenile Act, Justice Act was passed 7th May 2015 from Lok Sabha and 22nd December 2015 from Rajya Sabha for protected and caring of children. So if we conclude that there should be politely behave and good knowledge for them by which they realize their crime and after releasing from jail they become a good person. Thank you.
First of all, Jai Hind to all of you. My name is Siddharth Chaubey and I am from Buxar, Bihar. My hometown is Buxar. It is also known as its older name, that is Vyagiswar. And it is called the land of Mahasi Vishwamitra and the Tapo Bhumi of Mahasi Vishwamitra also. And it is situated on the bank of Ganga River. That's why here is a large source of water.
Our lecture topic: should juvenile criminal also be treated as adult? So I will present my opinion about this topic. As per the rule, Juvenile Justice Act 2000, a juvenile should not be treated as adult. Even he or she is involved any act of criminal, any act of crime. But according to my point of view, a juvenile criminal also should be treated as adult, because it does not matter the criminal is adult or child. The main thing is that he did a crime, and crime is crime.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Ma'am gave us a task to say about shopping malls. Then I am standing here to describe about shopping malls. And as we all know, a shopping center is a store where all our needable things are available in a one place. A shopping center is very big, and I like V-Mart shopping center because it is very big and the quality of the products is very best. V-Mart branch is situated in every state of India, like Dehradun, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh.
Join everyone, my name is Diksha Shikri. I stand here to speak on the topic Internet, a boon or a bad. Definitely, Internet is a boon. It has bring the world together and it has made everything easier. We can use this technology to compete with this fast-pacing world and to boost in coming days. Firstly, I would like to highlight 2 points which justify that why internet is a boon. First point is with the use of internet we can do online studies. The education has become globalized. Internet has created a lot of job opportunities in different sectors. Next point I would like to highlight is that with the use of internet we can access to different online courses, and we can also do e-learning through internet. We the people have reduced our capturing power. Every time we don't use our mind, we totally depend on internet. So as compared to earlier days, we are now using our less mind and thinking power. We are using less thinking power. We come across a lot of cases regarding data manipulation, different hackers are hijacking big data from multinational companies, which is not good for the people. Next point I would like to highlight is that we the youth, we are wasting a lot of time on internet. So that is again the next negative point which justify why the internet is a ban. We come across a cyber abuse cases nowadays, which is again a negative point and which ultimately justifies why internet is a ban. So lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that yes, definitely internet is a boon in this fasting paced world. It has made the world easier and bring all the global together. We should definitely use the internet and to fight in this competition world. But yes, every coin has two sides. It is up to us whether we want to receive good and leave bad. So that's all. Thank you.
Did you notice the structure? But I would like to say that although the structure was very beautiful, but you need to select, because the structure was like first every coin has two faces, then again first I would like to say this, then next, and after that you kept on repeating next. So there are more words to it which will beautify. The structure was very good. And at last, yeah, in conclusion, I would like to say, so this was the structure which was very beautiful, but give more words, like then I would like to come to the point. After this, I would like to discuss. So these are all called linking words. You just don't have to speak, you have to link your sentences, link your paragraph, one paragraph to with another, so that when you structure it, you look more organized. You know what you have to present. It's not like you have to come here and speak, and if you speak haywire, like you want to speak something and then you remember, oh, I didn't speak that one, and then you speak that word, so it becomes haywire. होता है ना haywire, इधर उधर जाता है. So by this way your speech looks more organized. Okay, so I would say all of you people who have been speaking, not the new ones, it will take some time, but people who have been speaking for quite some time, please you also make it a habit to make your speech well organized. बहुत अच्छे groups हैं, but ये बहुत best है because they are picking up too fast. अभी second week में ही they have faced such a big crowd, which is really commendable. I would say it is commendable. So very nice.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.